Woohoo! We are here. Back again. Me, Leanne, and him.
Michael?
Yep, last time I checked. And him.
Meow meow. Whoop.
Meow,
Not
meow.
anymore.
Not anymore. No. Never mind. Who is here? We have Dave. Excellent. We have Ineza. Also excellent. We have Alana. Also excellent. Lots of excellent people. Are you excited, Michael?
Yeah. I think that's literally the first time I actually review these.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Because we will be reviewing and we will be coding. Yes, because...
Today.
Yeah. Because we didn't have one last Friday, did we?
Oh,
Yes.
I see.
How was my holiday? Yeah, lovely. Had a friend visit. So that was very nice. I did miss our Friday coding show. Yes. Stephen's here as well. And Fernando and Ed. Wonderful. So let's have a look at the submissions because I have realized I'm actually closing the vote a bit too early, which is a bit annoying because we have longer than usual. But never mind. I can't change it now, so I'll have to go with it.
Oh, well.
Yes. Submissions are here. So many of them this week. Yeah.
Oh,
And
oh wow. That's
Yeah.
a lot.
I have added this, which counts how many submissions there actually are.
Ooh.
I know. Yeah. No expense spared over here. Oh, hello, Geck. Hello. Yes. I like the submissions counter. Yeah, It's good. Way to see how many there are. So I will start with the people who I happen to know are here. Who do we have? Dave is here. So this is Dave's. And the job was to wire up this energy meter so that when you change the input, the meter changes as well, basically.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So Dave has done this with this lovely emoji of himself. And you can change, oh no, stress reduces it, coffee increases, work reduces, but stress reduces even more. And rest increases, coffee increases the most. Yeah, how good is that?
I feel like that Wake Me Up Before My Cocoa is...
A song.
Yeah, it sounds like Wham! Wake Me Up Before You Go.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Right.
Yes. So that was Dave's awesome
Cool.
submission. And that was one of the stretch goals, was to deplete the energy. So yes, that is what Dave has done.
Wow. Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah, totally. Well done. I didn't think that was there last week. Oh, don't know. Was here now, that's for sure. So that's good. Ooh, tailwind. Don't know. Any tailwind? Not in here.
Well, go into HTML.
It would be down here, wouldn't it? Or not?
No, it doesn't look like it. Looks like just normal CSS from Style Sheet. So.
Oh, it has an alert if the energy runs out. Let's try that. Stress. Please provide coffee. Woo! Very nice. Cool. Okay, let's see who else has provided one. I know I have Alana here. Let's check out. Oh, here it is. Yeah. So it's nicely rotated.
Oh wow. Oh, I see. So it's like it's on a timer. Nice.
Yeah. And you can also, woo, and then the emoji changes, but it automatically depletes, and you can manually deplete it if your graph is going down. Yeah.
I see.
Oh, you can feel great. Woo.
Yeah. Nice.
Yes. Oh no, margins are off. Are they? Looks all right to me. Let's not say anything about it. I'm not a Tailwind user. No. Me neither. Yes. Yeah, that is true, actually, what Dave says. Nice gradients in the meter as well. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice, indeed. I also had Casey is here. Let's check out Casey's. Came in the letterbox today. This one. Yeah.
Ooh.
Super cool. Battery design, which also automatically depletes. It's actually quite hard to replete. This is very true to life, I feel. You boost your energy and it's straight back down.
Yeah. As soon as you wake up, you're already tired.
Yeah. Even before that. Yes.
Cool.
This
Nice.
little emoji. Very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Casey. Yeah. I'm sure I saw Ed here. This is Ed's. Yeah. It has. Oh no, I don't want to open Discord. I want to do this. It's a type of mood measurer reflected by this cute little what do you call it? Weather emoji. And you can increase, and then if you decrease, you get clouds, storm, thunder, ice. Oh no, tornado. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, not sure. What does that do? Ooh, a spiral. Yes. Interesting. Very cool. Well done to Ed. Oh, Co-P says, sorry I'm late. And we also have a submission I saw earlier. This one. You'll like this one, Michael.
Ooh, coffee.
How caffeinated are you today? How caffeinated are you?
5.
5. Set. Woo. Refill. And then, ta-da.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Very cool. And I like the coffee bean background.
Yeah. Very nice.
I'm quite interested how this is this coloured fill is done. Let's have a it's a gradient. Interesting. Yeah. So when you get to the optimum value, which has been set to 9, you get the
yellow.
Nice colours. No, yellow is 10. That's slightly too caffeinated, maybe. The optimum is 9. So you get these nice, wonderful colours. Yeah. Super cool.
Nice.
This is EFO. I have a submission there. Indeed you do. Let's check it out. This one here. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is sweet. So you can increase the energy, but it also goes down on its own. And then,
whoa.
Yeah, it yawns when it gets tired. And the emoji changes. Woo. Did you just catch a yawn from an emoji?
Yeah.
Well, that's very effective.
Well, now everyone,
Clearly.
I'm sure now a lot of people are going to be yawning.
Oh no, we have started. Lovely, yeah.
Yeah, I can actually yawn very easily.
Yeah, I mean, from an emoji, that's a new level. Perfect. Is anyone else here that has a submission? If not, I will select randomly which ones to show. And don't forget, if you haven't voted yet, there is still time until 5:15. But I will not reveal the winner until a bit later. Yeah, which one shall we look at, Michael?
Ooh, well, what about that? Lucky Victory. Look at that. That's kind of like
yeah,
a boiler energy meter.
Yeah, it's cool. And then
oh wow, look at that! It actually goes with the arrow.
Yeah, he did. I just need to find it. Give me the code earlier. Lucky Victory code.
Oh, it's on GitHub, isn't it?
Yeah. But
it could be private.
Oh no, it's not. But
there we
just
are.
need to find the link. Yes, here we go. Main.js. Whoa.
Mm.
Function. Update energy.
Yeah. I see.
Draw gauge. It's
Yeah.
using some kind of framework. I forget what it was. Let's have another look at his message. He gave the wrong URL. I used Google Chart Tool for it.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah.
Here's this one. Super cool. Very nice. Yeah. That I just turned up. What's going on? We're checking out people's energy gauges. Where do I find the link to vote? Good question. It is here. When you head over to that page and click through on this voting button sometime within the next 4 minutes.
That way? Top right?
I think you need to. Yes,
Well, no, that's
sure
top
they'll
right for
find
me,
it.
but it points away, no? So it should be that way.
It's this anyway.
Yeah. That's right.
Wonderful. Okay. Who is next, do you reckon? I think by Discord.
Let's see if it catches your eye.
Let's see if you can catch another yawn from this one.
Oh.
Can you stop it?
Just talking about it makes me yawn. Come on, stop it.
Look at the pretty colours. That'll wake you up.
Oh, wow, yeah, the colours change.
Yay.
Neat.
What happens when you go to 10? Oh, yes. Hot pink.
Yeah.
Does it go down on its own? I think it does. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, so it does.
Yeah. So if you're below or equal to 3, you get dark slate grey. Between 3 and 7 is purple, and above that is hot pink. Nice. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. I didn't know about Google Charts. Looks interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, certainly does. Yeah, I gotta check it out. Miranda and Karen next, please. Okay, your wish is my command. Miranda. Oh yeah. Miranda has decided to make this into,
Whoa.
yeah, this is super cool, a happiness meter. So today is Monday. How do you feel out of 10?
A 7.
And then you can save it.
Oh, well, that's considered an awesome day.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Let's say Tuesday is a 9.
Okay.
And it's saving it down here.
Oh, wow, yeah.
But let's say, I hope this doesn't happen, but maybe Wednesday is a 4. Oh no, there will be better days. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then Thursday, let's call it a 10. Yeah. And then you can reset.
Oh, nice.
I think so.
Cool.
Very interesting use of the challenge, I thought. Nice conditional in there to change the message you get as well.
And what about the, it mentions Quran?
Let's have a look. Does it use local storage? I'll find that out in the JS, I guess.
Yeah. So,
Well, obviously.
yeah, where does it have on click for a save button or a reset button?
I guess something called save.
Save button.
Maybe
Add event listener. Yeah. So scroll down, further down.
I don't think it does.
Yeah, it just Thursday tab inner HTML, and then it basically puts input value into inner HTML, so no local storage.
But very cool.
Cool.
Super cool. Okay, let's have a look at Karen's. Oops, there's so many of them. I actually have to. Oh, it was there. Search. Oh yeah, it's a phone charger. And so you connect, and then it slowly increases over time. So I'll do what you do and leave it on less than 10%,
Yeah.
I wonder if it will go down on its own.
Well, that's already not realistic. iPhone would have gone to 5 now.
Maybe it's not an iPhone. Maybe it's another phone.
Fair enough.
Hard to tell.
Seems to stay that way. But yeah, maybe there is. Maybe we can poke around some code and have a look at it. Yeah.
Ed says, nice candidate for a Chrome extension. Yeah, the happiness one. Totally. That would be great. If you want to learn how to make a Chrome extension, you should head over to Scrimba JS here. And there is a project right here about making a Chrome extension.
Oh, nice.
Good call, Ed.
Oh, you're working your way through this course, didn't you?
I am.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So show us the skills. Right. The poll has ended.
Yes.
We should start coding soon. But let's look at a couple more. Which ones? Oh, this one. Right. It's got a rabbit.
Oh, wow.
So, how's the rabbit's energy today? And then it slides and the color changes.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I know. Adorable. So what's this? I don't know what this is.
Looks like it's an animation.
To do with the rabbit moving somehow.
Yeah.
Near-pod body moving. Shall we Google it?
But you can probably see a little bit. Well, just go to JavaScript. It probably calls it somewhere.
Body moving load animation.
There you go. SVG container, animation data. There you go.
But what was it actually doing?
Well, when the page loaded.
Oh, yeah.
There's like a little run.
Oh. Too cute. Very nice. Cool. So, bunny rabbit themed one.
Yeah, very nice.
Two. Oh, yeah. And what about Ambrine's water intake? You can use this. How many glasses have you had today?
Oh, 1 or 2.
That's low.
Yeah, but I have pint glasses. They're pretty big.
Medium. You get this, and good.
Yeah.
You get this. Woo, woo, woo.
Mm-hmm.
Good use of the challenge, I would say. Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
I want to check this one out because I can see it's got an animal on it. What's it got? A cat. So the energy is going down on its own. And if you press cat, what do you think will happen?
Go up. Yes.
Yeah. It's because it's a cat nap, you think?
Well, there's another app.
That's a big one. Actually, they all increase it. So, I mean, we could look at this. So there's cat, there's sleep, and there is coffee. And yeah, so coffee increases by 5, cat by 3,
Yeah.
and the sleep by 7.
Oh, interesting.
Very nice indeed. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shall we code?
Did you want to have a look at the winners? Or I see. You're like, okay, you have to watch us code and then we see the winners.
I mean, they could tune back later if they really don't want to watch us code.
Right.
Which I would totally understand if they did that. So the thing to do is
Right.
energy meter.
Well, I've seen a lot of examples now, so yeah.
You have indeed seen. The task is to wire this up so that this input changes it, basically.
Yeah, right.
Are you familiar with the meter?
Notion of a meter.
Yes.
Yes, I have used a few meters in my life, yes.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, like, well, speedometer is not something I ever used.
No.
No.
Not the petrol meter either.
No.
Don't bother with that.
No.
So actually, you're not that familiar with it.
There you go.
Okay, then let's start. So we've got to grab a couple of things, I reckon. Yes.
Cool.
Where can I ask questions about the course, especially React? On our Discord server. we have a dedicated React help channel, which will be right up your street. I will just fetch an invitation now. There we go. Yes. Okay, so let's grab a couple of things from here. We need const input equals build document dot get element by ID.
Yeah.
What did I call it? Input. Yes.
Input.
Good
Neat.
one.
Good naming.
I think so.
I approve.
That's good. And then, oh no, and then same thing, but with energy meter. I think this is just called energy.
Ooh.
You want to
Okay.
change it?
No, it's all right. Energy is fine.
Good.
I think you can just call it energy as well.
Okay. That's got those two in there. What next?
Well, I guess you
So
can.
you've got to grab this.
Yeah, so I guess you now need to link the two. Whatever's value in the input needs to reflect in your energy bar.
Yes. So we've got to do energy.value. All right. Oh, hang on. Function. Oops. Update energy.
Sure. But I would literally, for now, what I would do is, yeah, why not? Yeah, let's write update energy.
Energy dot value, not node value, just normal value. Why is it telling me node value?
I don't know. Have a look at what's energy. So you grabbed an element. What is that element? I mean, you can just look at your HTML.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I know what it is in the HTML.
Oh, it's a meter. No,
sorry,
it's a meter. Ooh.
Well, maybe that is hairy.
Yeah. Interesting.
Dot log.
I didn't know that there is a meter HTML element.
Energy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see what it does. Dot value equals.
I don't think it's that value because when you save that, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it does have value. Okay.
It does. Yeah.
So if you make that 5. Okay, so that didn't really change anything.
Mm-hmm. Dot value still works, says Alana, but I don't know why it doesn't auto-populate.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So what's that? Oh, I see. So there is a value property.
Yeah.
So
keep talking.
Well, no, you're looking something up. Googling. So I wonder why energy.value doesn't get properly. If you make that, oh, you're not calling the function. Oh god. Why am I so slow today? There you go. There we are. Yes, now it works. Okay, awesome.
Well, okay, yeah, and then it just needs to do it on change, basically.
Yeah. So now, yeah.
But
so
this would need to be input.value, yes?
Yeah. Let's say that. Why not? Input.value. Okay.
Okay.
7.
And then if we do, hold on, 6, 9. Oh, that's just going to reset it every time.
No, because you're reloading the page, and the default in your HTML is set to 5.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you go to HTML, index.html, and you set value to 7 in input, up, line 11.
Oh, right.
So if you set that to 7, okay? Yeah, there you are.
Why don't you just go to 10?
We'll make it 10.
Yeah, but if you watch it, I mean, this doesn't matter, but... Okay, right, let's continue. So now we want this to happen on change. Yes.
Yeah, so now you basically need to
input dot add event listener.
Yeah.
And then I have on change is update energy.
Isn't the input element the listener's input?
It might be. Did you not use change though?
I'm not sure change is a listener on input. I'm not sure change is a valid event. Maybe.
Oh well, this is working.
Anyway,
Yay!
Yeah,
This is working. Meter's initial value is set to 10. Whoops.
That's why.
But
No, meter. So line 17.
Okay.
So if you set that to 0,
Yeah, you will get.
you won't. Yeah, it just goes from.
And then you change this. Yeah. Good. Cool. 2 casing.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. On input works immediately. On change, waits for a submission. Oh, right. So you'd need to have a button that says, change it type of thing.
Yeah, probably like a form or something. Yeah, fair enough.
Yes. Love the idea. She's being an ideal student and asking all the questions a student would have asked. See that?
Nice.
Well, I think this person means me. Maybe they don't mean me.
Maybe they mean me. I don't know.
Well, maybe if they think you're a she.
Okay.
Change works.
Ah, fair enough.
That's words to live by. No need for
Change works, yes.
no need for a button. You can press return. Yeah. I think it's better to do it like this. But
Okay,
yes,
well,
good
there we are.
information. So we have solved the challenge.
Woohoo!
Yep.
Well, actually, that wasn't as hard as I thought it would be.
No.
I thought, oh my god, this is going to be really hard.
Really?
Okay, cool.
So now over to you.
Oh, what?
To try to code the energy going down on its own.
Ooh, interesting.
There we do. I said over to you. But oh wait, so we don't need this now, do we?
Well, no, you still do, because
We don't. Why
you
we
do. On the initial load, it needs to match up. So refresh the page,
Yeah, but it would.
and it stays
No, it
at
would.
8. You see, it says 8, but the bar is at 0. So you do need to run this function the first time as soon as it loads.
Wondering if there's a better way to do that, but I think probably not.
You can. I mean, this is fine.
This is fine.
Yeah.
Do you mean
No,
this
I mean,
kind of this is fine?
No, I mean proper. Yeah,
It's actually fine.
It's actually fine.
Okay, right. So now we need function deplete energy.
Interesting. Okay.
Guess I'll do it then.
Yeah, let's go.
Deplete.
Why do you need a function?
Well, how else would you do it?
Well, just write the logic as is, and then you then you refactor it into a function. So you can write it straight away. Oh, hello, pumpkin.
Pumpkin came back. Yes. Oh.
Oh, he wants to see what's up.
What is going on?
He wants to see what's up.
Yes, function.
JavaScript.
I think we need a timer.
Right.
And every X number of milliseconds, it reduces energy dot value. One. And this happens
I think it's minus equals.
every, I don't know, 1 second.
Is that okay? I thought you were writing CSS there.
What?
Some kind of strange rule every 1 second.
In the
that
JS
looks like
file.
CSS. It's
is it?
minus equals. Yeah.
I don't think it is.
You can try.
Maybe it is. Okay. Ooh. Oh, crumbs. Okay.
Okay, go.
So now we just need this to happen every 1 second. Set interval.
Yeah. So
I'm gonna have to look
do you
that
remember?
up.
Yeah, do you remember
do
the
it.
syntax for set interval?
Nope. Do you?
It's a callback and then interval. Yay! There we go.
Set interval function. Oh,
Yeah.
so
So
that's
that function
outside of it.
is a callback.
So this goes beep, 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 beep. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. But do watch. So can you go back to the syntax? Okay, so you don't really need to give a name to that function.
No. Just this? But this.
No. Just if you write function, like this is fine, and delete the space between set interval and yeah. So yeah, that's fine. And then you need to give a now you just need to provide an interval itself.
Vera says hello.
Hey.
Equals minus does work, just a little differently, as long as there's a space between the operator and the number. Oh, really?
Equals minus does work just a little differently as long as...
You heard it here first.
Oh, wow.
Let's check them out.
Is that like a shorthand for minus equals 1? I wonder.
Isn't it a shorthand for energy.value equals energy.value minus 1?
That's minus equals. That's what that is. Interesting. Well, anyway, firstly, let's provide the actual value to... So you now need to provide milliseconds.
No, I need to... that goes down the bottom then.
Yes, yeah, so you go, comma, yeah.
1,000.
Cool. That'll do.
That's 1 second. Yes.
Yes.
That's all, no?
That should be it, yeah.
It doesn't seem to be doing anything. Oh, it's doing something. Yay!
Yeah.
Oops. Yes.
Cool. And what happens when you up it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Why does it go?
So I think you also need to reduce the value in your input when you do that.
Okay. Input dot value equals energy dot value.
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is surprisingly working.
No, yeah, that's good. No, that's fair enough. Yeah, it works.
Yeah. Oh, okay. More clarification on. I believe minus equals does the subtraction before the assignment, and equals minus does the subtraction after the assignment, which apparently has its issues. Oh, so if we just put that the other way, no, that wouldn't make a difference.
Oh, I think. Well, let's try. I don't want to say, and then it might be.
What do you think?
So let's try it, but I don't think you give a number. If I understand what Dave is saying. Oh, okay.
Seems to be the same.
Yeah, I thought because what I thought Dave means is like you can write energy value minus minus, and that would be the same.
Minus minus.
So no numbers. No numbers, no spaces. No spaces.
Oh.
So I thought that's what he meant. And you can also say minus
Yeah.
minus energy value, and that basically does kind of it subtracts and updates the value. Anyway, that's like. But I didn't know that you can write equals minus. Interesting. So let's go with that.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, yeah, that's probably the best thing.
JavaScript minus equals action assignment. Can you hit that? So, JavaScript intersect subtraction assignment operator subtracts the value of the right-hand operator from a variable and assigns the result to the variable.
So subtracts this from this, and then result goes on to this.
And okay, and then scroll down. Okay, so that just says that. Okay. So can I just JavaScript, hit the search? Yep. Versus equals minus. Right? Because that's what you were saying that. Oh, okay. Difference between.
Girl, Stack Overflow.
Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so
there we go.
Is equivalent to equals plus b. Oh, I see. And plus b is a fancy way of casting b to a number, like here. Plus string. You probably. Oh, okay. So JavaScript actually does. Interesting. I'm not sure I understand how that works, but fair enough.
Can you explain this like you're explaining it to Pumpkin?
Really,
you're explaining it to me.
I can't because I don't think I understand it.
Okay, then we won't worry about it. Look, there's a. It isn't what I meant. Different subject, but yeah, works. TIL. Do you know what that means?
Yeah. Today I learned.
Good news. Yes. So
I don't know. Like if I saw equals minus, I would be like, oh, I think that's a mistake, but it's not. So.
Right.
But yeah, I don't know what the repercussions are.
So which one do we actually want?
I think you want the good old classical minus equals, but the other way around works. But if you do use it, you should probably, like if you're writing in the actual code base, you should probably link an article to someone saying like, here is why I'm using this. This is why it's better than the classical standard plus equals or minus equals. And here are the benefits of using that. Yeah, because otherwise it would be a little bit counterintuitive and it would just like throw people off a little bit.
Sounds good. Dave will send a link if he finds a video explaining it.
Yeah, sounds interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure I understand how it works like from a memory point of view or how do they actually differ.
Yeah. Okay, then what next? How much? Oh no, we need 20 minutes left. Okay, then I think we could add an emoji. Yeah. So emojis are, there is this, there is sort of in the middle one, maybe.
Just please not yawning one.
Well, it has to be the yawning one. I think he's pretending. I don't think anyone yawns just thinking about yawning.
I'm genuinely yawning. Man.
What we need it. What should
this is going to be torturous.
Okay.
You can have an emoji that says like letter Z on it.
Okay.
That's better.
So this one?
Yeah, there we go. This one will do.
Okay. This is so bizarre. Energy.value.
So you need to put that into brackets.
Okay. Oops. That drilling you hear is our neighbour building a tiki hut in their garden. I'm not joking. In sunny Wales. They're building some kind of bar with like Hawaiian theme. And yeah, it's quite something. No. We need.
Yes.
No, it's not. We need greater than. No,
okay.
Less than or equals to.
Right.
I always get these two confused.
That's all right. Yeah.
3.
Right. Cool.
Then we want this one.
Cool.
And then else if pull up
look at that
pumpkin.
pumpkin.
Why are you getting pumpkin? Whoa, shaking the table. Is
What's that pumpkin?
smaller than what? Smaller than 5? No.
You need to put the whole condition into the bracket.
Oh yeah. Small. I find these symbols really confusing. So we need to do greater than.
That's an arrow.
No,
So,
we only need one. Greater than 4
okay.
and or
Yeah,
or.
so you need to go and. Yeah.
Smaller than 8.
So you need to, for that, you need to write energy value again. You need to repeat yourself.
Oh.
Yeah.
Smaller. Yeah.
Then, okay, space. Yeah, so you now need to close.
No. Yeah. Why is this so hard?
Because else if okay then wait.
Something's gone wrong.
Yes.
Oh wait, no, I don't need this. Wait.
That's right. Yeah.
Then we need.
And you don't need the one on line 27. So the bracket on line 27 you don't need.
Well, I do
now
need.
It's 28.
I do need it, but I can move it, I guess.
No.
Stop. Value.
You don't need the condition for else. Because it's else.
It's all other things.
Yeah.
Else.
Yeah.
This one.
So that you still need to delete that bracket.
Okay.
Cool. Got it.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's not really finished, is it? Because we need beep, beep, and beep, and beep, and beep.
Okay. What are you doing?
Oh no, that one's gone wrong. Well, they can't just be emojis floating. They got to be in a string, haven't they?
Yeah, but you need. Oh, okay. So now you're writing the condition.
Yeah.
So you need on line 25. You need to close the bracket. You see, because it's underlined stuff.
Yes.
So yeah. Right. And now you just need to bring it all into. Oops.
Bells.
Okay. I think that's that. Okay. Now
no.
you need to update some kind of div or something with that string, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, we could create it.
Yes.
But I think it's easier just to update one that we've put in here. So, P.
ID emoji.
Yeah. Oh, what happened there?
Drawing blanks.
No, I just, yeah.
Yeah. Cool,
That's that. So let's see what this does. Dip. Yeah, that
Cool.
looks good.
That'll do.
And then in here, going to grab one of these, and then emoji.
Yeah.
And then emoji.
Cool.
And then I guess just put this in here.
No, just inside of your if statements. So
Yeah.
emoji dot inner HTML.
No, I think we should do text content.
Okay. Equals. Yeah.
Yay! Yay!
But now it only updates it on.
Oh.
Yeah. It only updates it on the load of the page. Cool. Well, that's okay, because you can just now grab all of that if-else logic and put it into your set interval function.
Oh, you mean here?
At the very top.
Why?
Because you render the emoji, then you decrease the value, and then you render an emoji.
But it's still saying,
You need to refresh the page.
oh. I know it's doing nothing. I know it is. Ah!
Leanne, stop. Stop playing drums.
I think it's like, you know what? I need to extend this because it's driving me slightly mad. Okay. Yeah, but it doesn't actually render it on the first one.
Yeah.
It's not rendering it at all now.
Oh, interesting. Oh no, because it's not part of your update energy. So maybe actually you should actually just move it to update energy.
Why is it not working?
Well, because on the initial load, set interval doesn't run until 10 seconds later.
Oh. Okay. Yay.
But now the emojis don't work because you're calling update energy only once. Actually, no, it does.
Why did it just get a star at 4? Something's wrong here.
So, because you have less than equals 3, more than 4. So if you have exactly 4, yeah.
More than 3. I think would be the right one.
Okay.
Come on. No.
So
Why
now,
are you showing me that?
Now, your logic doesn't run on set interval. So what you probably want...
No. I know what to do. Read it. Update energy.
Except a little bit higher up.
Oh,
but
inside this.
Leanne, just wait, please.
No.
Hold on.
I won't.
But now, do you notice that your...
It's working.
Leanne, line 7...
It's working.
Leanne.
Michael.
Look, line 7 says energy.value equals input.value. And your line 24 is the opposite of it. Input value equals energy value.
Mm.
So
that's probably not good.
Yeah, so probably what you want.
That save dialogue gets me every time. Oh, I know. It's a pain.
So you can you focus on Scrimba? Yeah, tap. Whoops. No, I think it's still, you still need to hit the editor so the keyboard works. There you go. Thank you. So I think if you update energy value equals input value, and then when you're set interval and it says input value equals energy value. So probably what we want to do is flip it. We want to say like this. You want to flip it to the input value and you want to reduce input value. And now if you reduce input value, then that drives energy value, which means that this line and effectively the first line of this function is the same. So you can just remove this. And now you can reuse this function inside of your set interval.
Okay.
And the emojis go. And there you are.
Wait. Nice. Yes.
Then if you slow down, it's better, you know.
I will never slow down. Okay.
Yeah, it's like, you know, it's like Achilles and the tortoise. Or rabbit and tortoise.
Those are two different Greek. Oh no, look, it's gone to minus.
Yeah, it does go to minus.
Okay, well, we won't worry too much about that. We've only got 10 minutes left.
I think you just need to write a condition that if it goes to minus, you stop counting.
I mean, really?
You basically...
I think we need to reverse the this.
Why?
If energy.value equals...
No, don't update that. That's good. That's good. You just say, write the conditional in your set interval.
No. I think what we should have is that this is greater than 8. This is the middle one. And then all else would be
but you still
the
get,
sleepy one.
You still have input value going into the minus.
You would. Okay.
So you just write an if conditional that stops it.
But do you think you can do that?
Yeah, on the first line, just say if input.value. Yeah. So just right here.
If input.
You should write Go.
Input
You know, in Golang, you don't have to put those.
Is less than
Yes.
0.
If it's equal to 0.
Less than or equal to 0.
Yeah, why not?
Well, I mean, actually, yeah. Then break.
Then
Return.
just Google how do you stop interval? How do you break an interval? How do you get out of an interval? Actually, no.
You just need clear interval, apparently.
Do you want to clear an interval? Because you still want that interval to work.
If you decrease energy.value, it can't go past the minimum you set in the HTML. But it did, didn't it?
No, because we're reducing.
Oh, so we need to reduce.
So we do need to flip it. Input.value.
Flip this.
No, flip this. Whoops. This. So you want energy input. Yeah, that's actually a very good shout because the meter won't go energy.value.
Set interval will throw you a timed ID and use that to clear interval.
So if we refresh it. Why is it a 0? Whoops. So update energy.
I think we should stick with just.
Oops. Okay.
No! You just reset the whole work.
What? What do you mean?
Michael!
What?
We've lost the work.
I just refreshed the page.
No.
Oh no, it's that. Oh. Like, you need to talk to Frodo about it.
A poor workman, Michael.
You need to talk to Frodo about it.
Anyway.
Just send him this video and say like, this is the user error. This is what happens.
On that note, let's move on to the next challenge.
If you wanted to see the code, what time is it on the recording? Go to 52nd minute and
30
pause it.
seconds before now, exactly.
Yeah.
This is the next challenge. It's a name beautifier. That escalated quickly. Well, kind of de-escalated, but yeah. It is a trap. The next challenge is
and that's why you use Git.
to create this name beautifier. And when you press this button, you beautify the names with different fonts, colors, font weights,
Oh wow.
and so on. You can modify it however you like. So that is the next challenge. And it uses this random color generator that someone from a previous challenge, Dalama, discovered.
Nice.
That generates only nice colors. Yeah. So give it a go and send in your submissions. Looking forward to that. So now let's find out who is the winner.
Yes.
Poll has ended. Let's view the results. Yep. Oh, Scrimba 555
I'm not
is
sure we actually saw that submission.
this one. No, we didn't. The calendar.
Ah.
That is actually cool because you can select the month and it actually, yeah.
Oh, so it's like a
shows
progress
calendar.
of the year. Oh, look at that. That's pretty clever.
But how are they actually rendering this calendar? Is it an image?
Calendar label.
Month, images / July. Oh, so each of
It's a
these is
PNG.
actually an image.
Yeah, wow. Each of those is a separate image. Nice.
well done to Bird 555.
Bird 555, 555, or 555. We'll never know.
We just don't know. Yes, and we have to select a random winner, Michael. So I think what we should do is write a function that selects a number between 1 and 26. Can you do that in the next 5 minutes?
I guess. Random int?
Random int. No, we've got to do like math.floor. No, math.
Oh, yeah, because it's
math.random.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
Okay.
because it's
Constant random num equals math. I'm going to have to look it up. Fine.
I don't want to.
JS random number.
This is going to sound really pedantic, but a random.
Math.random.
Math.random is not actually random. It's not like mathematically random.
Is it random enough?
I guess yes.
Math.random.
Capital.
What this?
No, capital R, I think.
It's not.
Oh, capital M. Okay. I remember though there was something capital.
Oh no, running over. Okay. And that gives you between 0 and 1, doesn't it?
Yes.
Not confirm. Console dot log random num.
Okay.
Okay.
So that
we
gives
now
you between 0 and 1. And
we got to times 26.
So that will give you.
And then we do math dot round around this.
Yes.
Is that gonna work?
Or math
13.
floor.
Well, I don't think it depends if you want it to go down or to the nearest one.
Well, anyway, we'll go to number 13.
Okay, so who's number 13 then? Oops. 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, copy.
There you go.
The caffeinated entry. You have won 6 months of Scrimba Pro. Oh, and look at that. You actually provided the answer to do it.
Oh, there you go. You definitely deserve it. +1, because, yeah.
It's a good job we didn't add +1, because then you might have had another one. But anyway, you have won.
I mean, to be fair, it was pretty random.
Yes.
There you go.
Random enough. Anyway.
Yeah.
So if you just find me over on Twitter, I love it when I try to type in my Twitter handle. Ryanair contact number. No, that is definitely not what I want. Worst airline ever. Anyway, yes, contact me on Twitter or Discord alternatively, and I will organize the prize for you. Yes, congrats.
And same goes for birds 555, 555, 155.
Indeed.
Yes.
Yes, to grab that prize. And we will be back very soon. That's not us, although you can click this out. That's my private channel, well, not private, personal channel. And on the Scrimba channel, we are back on Wednesday, learning command line.
Oh, yes, so we do. Yes, like bash, all sorts of things.
All sorts of things. So come on over. Wednesday, 5 p.m. BST. Yeah, congratulations. Thanks, Leanna Michael. You made my day. And you made our day by coming to watch. So thanks very much. And I'll see you.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, totally. Subscribe to Scrimba for more live coding, rip-roaring fun. And subscribe to me for beginner CSS stuff, mainly. And occasionally making a fool of myself with CSS battles. Yeah.
There we are.
Lovely. So,
thanks a lot, everyone.
I will see you soon.